Hello, everyone. Welcome to my English learning channel, English Thought.
Hey everyone, I need help. I know English words, but I always mix them.
That's completely normal, Gimme. Even advanced learners get confused sometimes.
Really? Because I feel like I make mistakes. All the time.
That's how you learn. Today, I'll clear your confusion step by step.
Okay, let's start with the look, see, and watch.
Look means you try to see something. Look at the sky. See means it happens naturally. I can see a bird. Watch means you look at something moving. I am watching TV.
Oh, wait. So watch is for action, right? Like movies and sports?
Exactly.
That's why we say, watch a match. Got it. And second one is say versus tell.
Say focuses on words. He said hello. Tell focuses on a person. He told me a story.
Ah, so I can't say, he told hello?
Right, that would sound wrong.
Okay, that mistake ends today. How to use it. Speak versus talk.
Speak is more formal. I need to speak with the manager. Talk is casual. I like to talk with my friends.
So in an interview, I should say speak, not talk.
Yes, that sounds more professional.
Nice. This is useful. Make versus do.
Make means create something. She is making a cake. Do means perform an action. I am doing my homework.
Wait, why make food but do homework?
Good question. It's just how English works. You'll remember with practice.
Yeah, I'll get used to it. Big versus large.
This is a big house. They have a large garden.
So both are correct, but big is more common.
Exactly.
Good. I'll use big more. Small versus little.
Small is about size. This is a small box. Little shows emotion or feeling. She is a cute little girl.
Oh, little sounds more emotional, right?
Yes, it feels warmer.
Nice. That sounds more natural. Job versus work.
I have a job in a company. I have a lot of work today.
So job is specific. Work is general?
Exactly.
This was confusing before. Now it's clear. Home versus house.
This house is beautiful. I feel safe at home.
Wow. So home is emotional.
Yes.
That's actually deep. End versus finish.
The movie ended at 10 p.m. I finished my homework.
So I finish tasks, but things end themselves.
Perfect.
Nice. I'm getting faster now. Fun versus funny.
The party was fun. That joke is funny.
Haha, I used to mix this all the time.
Most learners do.
Not anymore. Boring versus bored.
The lecture is boring. I am bored.
So the thing is boring. I am bored.
Exactly.
Okay, that's easy. Much versus many.
I don't have much money. I have many friends.
Uncountable versus countable, right?
Yes.
Good. I remember that rule. Few versus little.
Few people came. I have little water.
This one is tricky.
It gets easier with practice.
All right, I'll practice more. Less versus fewer.
I have less time. There are fewer students.
Ah, same rule again?
Exactly.
That helps a lot. Then versus than.
Finish your work, then relax. She is taller than me.
Time versus comparison.
Yes.
Simple and clear. Your versus your.
Your phone is ringing. You're late.
I always forget the apostrophe.
Now you won't.
Hopefully. There versus there.
Their car is new. Put the bag there.
This one always confused me.
You'll master it with practice.
I feel more confident already. Accept versus accept.
I accept your apology. Everyone came except Gimme.
Ha ha, poor Gimme.
Just an example.
Effect versus effect.
This will affect your health. The effect was strong.
This one always scared me.
Not anymore.
Yeah, now it feels easy.
Cheap versus expensive. This phone is cheap, slash, that car is expensive.
Okay, easy.
Win versus beat. We won the match, slash, we beat them.
Oh, result versus action?
Exactly.
Nice.
Remember versus remind. I remember your name, slash, remind me later.
That one is really useful.
Wear versus put on. I am wearing a jacket, slash, put on your shoes.
State versus action, right?
Perfect.
Honestly, I feel so much more confident now.
That's great to hear.
I think I can finally use these words correctly.
Just keep practicing every day.
Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And get ready for part 2.
Yes, more learning coming soon.